Give me a reason to get out of bed. I need a minute to think, or maybe two.
Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today, as you can see from the title, I'm showing you all my Sunday morning routine. And on Sundays, I like to do everything relaxed. I'm getting ready for church, and here I am turning off my fan. I have to sleep with a fan on because I need that white noise. And I'm not going to show you this piece because I am using the bathroom, and that's a little gross if I show you that. But the next thing I do is I brush my teeth in the morning, and then I also like to just wash my face. And the cleanser that I use is the 3-in-1 cleanser for combination to oily skin, and I like the beads on it because it's like it exfoliates your skin but really gently.
In every shape, there's a million ways to mess things up, and I need some time to figure out what to say and make our troubles disappear. Oh, tomorrow's near.
The next thing that I like to do is make my bed. I think that having a made bed just makes me feel so much more better. I don't know if I'm the only one, but this task has to be done for me to feel relaxed. And look at my babies. This is Delilah. She's my little girl. And this here is Enzo. I love him so much. He loves to cuddle. And yes, they do sleep with us on occasion, and they just so happen to sleep with us the night before.
Tomorrow I will set things straight. Tomorrow's gonna be okay. Let all my troubles go.
So I have a question for you guys. Where is it that you find your bedding? Do you like Walmart or Target or an online store? Let me know, because I am in the search for new bedding. I like white. I think it's a clean color, you know, it just makes everything look so much more elegant for me personally. So please let me know where you find yours and where is like the best deals.
Let 'em sweep away. There'll be another day.
And of course, with every morning comes some coffee. So as I am editing this, I notice the serious tan line that I have where I wear my watch. Give it a thumbs up if you are seeing what I'm seeing. So something that I have been trying to focus on and have a goal for is to do more devotionals and reading more. So this morning I am continuing reading this book, Bait of Satan. I'm actually reading it with my best friend, and we're just speaking about it over the phone and just kind of having a debrief of what our findings were and what our takeaways were on this book. It's amazing. After tidying up my sink and putting things away, I am now emptying the dishwasher. I am obsessed with my dishwasher. How many of you love your dishwasher? You don't know what it was like not to have one? That's me. And now it's time to apply my makeup, and I'll be showing you the products that I'm using. I don't like to cake on my makeup. I'm really trying to go for more of that natural sun-kissed look. So I like the products that I use because they're really light, and it doesn't really look like I have makeup on. At least I don't think it does. So I use the CC cream from Mary Kay, and then I have this concealer by L'Oreal. It's really nice. I think it covers my dark circles and some like dark spots on my face. So yeah, that's how I do my makeup. I am not like an expert or anything. And as I get ready in the morning, I am either listening to worship music or I have a podcast going on. And the podcast that I am loving is by Stephen Furtick. He is the pastor of Elevation Church, and his messages are on point. And on this day, I was actually listening to one of his sermons. So I highly recommend listening to his podcast, and you will get so much out of it. How I achieve my curls, I actually use my flat iron, and this flat iron, I've had it for years, so you can see it's, been through something, but it works, and I will keep using it until it just breaks and it doesn't work for me anymore. But I love the way that my curls turn out when I use this method of, making curls. And it lasts for days. Honestly, it lasts so long. And here I'm just like touching up areas that my curls flattened out because I had my hair up while I was sleeping. But this is my go-to style, and it just looks so nice. And this is the outfit that I picked out. I love this shirt. I love it. And with these dark jeans, it just looks so good. And that is everything for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, and I will catch you all on another one. Bye guys!